Star Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel. Star Tron is a multifunctional fuel additive that uses enzyme technology. Star Tron cures and prevents ethanol fuel problems. Star Tron stabilizes gas for up to 2 years and helps rejuvenate old fuel. Engines powered by Star Tron treated fuel start easily and run smoothly with fewer emissions and better fuel economy. Star Tron restores octane to old substandard fuel. Star Tron disperses water throughout fuel to help prevent phase separation. Star Tron's enzyme technology eliminates and prevents gum, carbon, and varnish deposits to keep engines running clean and strong. Star Tron's enzyme formula enhances combustion for a more complete fuel burn, resulting in maximum power and fuel efficiency in all engines. Star Tron. It's not the engine, it's the fuel.